I was looking for a set of shredded memory foam pillows, so I purchased this set of 2 king-size pillows on Amazon. So let's unbox this and see what these are like. The back of this box says these have adjustable filling, are cooling and breathable covers, lightweight liners, and removable and washable cover. I love that because I love being able to wash my pillows. These are designed for all sleep positions, including side sleepers, back sleepers, and stomach sleepers. And it says not to iron, not to dry clean, not to bleach, but you can wash the outer cover only. Whoa, this is so heavy. So it even has directions on how to get started with this pillow. First, unwrap the pillow, then prepare your pillow by either fluffing it using a dryer, fluffing by hand, or fluffing by airing out. And then step 3 says to adjust your sleeping position. So side sleepers, the pillow arrives with lots of foam inside. This is best for side sleepers because the higher loft will line up with your shoulders. And then it goes on to explain for back sleepers and stomach sleepers. It also says that this gives you a 90-night trial, and if you're not 100% satisfied, return your pillow and get refunded. That's awesome. Wow, it's a big pillow. It's a king size. And here's what the material looks like up close. This is really nice. It's super soft and squishy. I'm going to put these into the dryer to fluff them up. Actually, I didn't even need to put them into the dryer because look, I just fluffed them by hand and they're nice and fluffy already. And here's what the inside of the cover looks like. You can remove the cover and wash the cover. And then this is what the pillow looks like on the inside there. Well, thanks for watching this review. I hope that this helped you make your decision in purchasing these pillows. I can see why so many of these are sold on Amazon every single month. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel and check out my Amazon storefront for more home product reviews.